So this question is looking at composite functions, that is, applying one function to another. So first of all, we've had three functions defined at the top of the page. Fx is x plus 2, gx is x squared, and hx is 3x. And we've been asked to find what fgx, gfx, fhx, hfx, ghx, and hgx are. So these things are all called composite functions. So let's look at the first one, fgx. Well, what does that mean? That means f of gx. So we could sort of write it in brackets like that. And what does that mean? Well, first of all, we work out what gx is, and then that becomes our input to f. So we work almost from right to left. We work out g first, and then we put that into f. So what is gx? Well, gx is just x squared. So this is the same as f, and rather than gx, we're going to replace it with x squared. Now, what is f of x squared? Well, we're just going to put x squared into our formula for f, and we get x squared plus 2. Okay, and that's it. And we're going to do the same thing for all of these. Now we have gfx. Well, gfx is g of fx. So we're going to first work out what fx is. That's x plus 2, and that's going to become our input into g. So now we get g of x plus 2. Well, gx is the function that squares, so g of x plus 2 is x plus 2 squared, which is x squared plus 4x plus 4. And you'll see here that gf and fg are clearly not the same thing, so it is important what order we do these operations. Let's just follow through the other examples then. F of hx, well that just means f of 3x, which is, we're putting 3x into our f function, we get 3x plus 2. H of fx, that means h of fx, which is x plus 2. So now we're going to substitute x plus 2 into our h function. Well, h is the thing that multiplies by 3. So we get 3x plus 2, which is 3x plus 6. And then our final two examples, g of hx. So this is g of 3x. Well, gx is x squared, so g of 3x is 3x squared. So this becomes 9x squared. And finally, h of gx, which is h of x squared, and that is 3 lots of x squared, which is 3x squared. And that's how composite functions work. You can see that keeping your brackets in the correct place is very important in order to not make mistakes. But otherwise, just follow the rules, work from right to left really, and just substitute into the functions as required.